8:15, got to check out our forecast with meteorologist Tammie Souza. Tammie, you are bringing us the good news today.
There is all kinds of good news. You know, we got rid of the bad news on Friday with those storms and the tornado warnings, and then yesterday a pop-up storm here and there. It was a nice transition day, but now we're into the good stuff. It's a summer-like pattern we're going to be dealing with. That's going to be for the next 7 days. We'll be in the 80s and 90s, and we are going to see a heat index near 100 by the time that we get into Tuesday, so that's the stifling day. And yes, hurricane season, it's in full force. We already have our first named, it's not a tropical storm anymore, but hurricane in the Pacific Basin. And Wednesday is the beginning of hurricane season in the Atlantic Basin. So make your plans if you are anywhere along the shoreline, because this season is supposed to be an above average season once again. We had 2 storms affect us last year. Down the shore right now, 63 at Sea Isle City, 63 in Cape May. We're looking at a water temperature cool 65 degrees. You do have to be cautious in the water. We have a rip current risk out there today, and if you hop into that really cold water, that's just going to be kind of shocking to your body as well. So just ease into the water and watch all the lifeguard signs out there for your safety. 70 in Philadelphia right now, 55 in Mount Pocono, at 69 in Wilmington, and 64 for all of you waking up in Trenton. If you want warmth, it is headed our way. You notice this blue dip out to the west across the western United States? That is a trough. That has cooler air dipping in. So they're going to be cooler than average. Not us, no. Right now we're in a zonal flow and we're going to be in the 80s today, but watch what happens. This huge ridge of high pressure, it builds into our area, and look at this. We're going to have a stretch of 90-degree days. We have all the warmth and they have all that cool air out to the west. In fact, here we go on Tuesday, all along the I-95 corridor from Trenton through Philadelphia to Wilmington. We're going to have a feels-like heat index that approaches or exceeds 100 degrees. So be ready for that. The heat and humidity will combine to make it a bit of an oppressive day. Today, though, we're up to about 84 degrees with plenty of sunshine out there. It is going to be mild throughout the day, and this evening is going to be beautiful if you have plans. We do have clear skies out there. In fact, high pressure is in control. Look at out to the west. Nothing out there. We are concerned about that rip current risk, though, down the shore. You're going to see waves of 2 to 3 feet. You're going to see a southwest wind 10 to 15 miles an hour today. The water temperature in the 60s. All of that is going to make it a little tough out there for swimming if you are not a strong swimmer. And again, pay attention to what the lifeguards have to say and the flags that are out there. Here it is. This is now Hurricane Agatha off of the southwest Mexican coastline. It is a Category 1 hurricane, 75-mile-an-hour winds, moving northwest very slowly at 3 miles an hour. It's going to push a lot of water ashore, and then it's going to rain itself out. It looks like landfall will be sometime tomorrow night or early on Tuesday, and then quickly it dissipates. The remnants could bounce into the Sea of Campeche. What does that mean? Maybe something could form. We'll have to keep an eye on it. That's the Atlantic Basin, so we will keep an eye on that. Today, 84 in Philadelphia, 75 down the shore, and 78 in the Poconos. Tomorrow, 91 in Philadelphia, 79 down the shore, and 84 in the Poconos. And then we hit the 95-degree mark on Tuesday. That's the hot and sweaty day with a feels like near 100. 90 on Wednesday, showers and storms at night. Storms also roll through here on Thursday. Jan?
Tammie, thank you.